Unlocking the Secrets of Investment, a journey through stocks, bonds, and real estate. Hey there, financial enthusiasts and future investors. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Benson, 254. Today we're diving deep into the exciting world of investing. We'll break down the basics of various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, while emphasizing the importance of diversification and risk management. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your fellow investors in the making. The building blocks of investment. Let's kick things off by understanding the fundamental building blocks of investing. 1. Stocks. Imagine owning a piece of your favorite company. When you invest in stocks, you become a shareholder, which means you own a part of that company. Stocks offer the potential for high returns, but also come with higher risk. The stock market can be quite volatile, so it's crucial to diversify your stock portfolio. 2. Bonds. Bonds are like IOUs. When you buy a bond, you're lending money to an entity, whether it's a corporation or the government. In return, they pay you interest over a set period and return your initial investment when the bond matures. Bonds are generally considered less risky than stocks and provide a source of stability in your investment portfolio. 3. Real estate. Investing in real estate involves buying properties like residential homes or commercial buildings with the expectation of generating rental income or capital appreciation. Real estate can be a lucrative investment, offering diversification and a hedge against inflation. Diversification, the magic formula. Diversification is like having a balanced diet for your investment portfolio. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you can reduce the impact of a poor-performing investment on your overall wealth. It's the classic, don't put all your eggs in one basket approach. Diversification helps you manage risk and increase your chances of steady, long-term growth. The art of risk management. Investing is not all about chasing high returns. It's also about protecting your hard-earned money. Risk management is your financial safety net. It involves strategies like setting stop-loss orders for your stock investments, maintaining a mix of stocks and bonds, and ensuring you have an emergency fund. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. The fundamentals of investing, including stocks, bonds, and real estate. Don't forget that diversification and risk management are your loyal companions on this investment journey. If you found this video informative and valuable, please show your support by subscribing to our channel, hitting the like button, and sharing this video with your friends who are ready to embark on their investment voyage. Stay tuned for more exciting content on finance, investing, and wealth building. Until next time, keep those investment dreams alive.